Welcome to your crash course of Pitch59. By the end of this video, you should know what a pitch card is, how to create one, and where you can be employing it.
Creating a resume pitch card is simple. To begin, download the app or go to pitch59.com.
After you've created your free account, you will find an unfinished resume pitch card waiting for you on your app home screen. Simply enter in your information by following the on-screen tiles. Add your social media URLs, set your availability radius, fill out your employment information, upload your cover photo, resume, and some pictures to show who you are. Now, record your test pitch. We've made it easy with some topics to get you started. Or, type out your own message with our on-screen teleprompter. Congratulations, you're one step closer.
Though creating a video may seem a bit intimidating, in reality it's fairly simple. Here's some tips to get you started. 1. Just be yourself. In all reality, people want to get to know you. Dress for success. Make sure your lighting and sound are good. Always be direct and make eye contact with the camera. Don't be afraid to re-record your pitch. Practice all you want. All the tools are available for your success.
Now that you've recorded your video and created your pitch card, here are a few easy ways to use it. Simply swipe up to share your pitch card. You can share it through text, email, Facebook, and even through your very own QR code. When others receive your pitch card, they can save it in a pocket, flip it over to chat with you, or share it with their contacts. Your pitch card will also be found on the Pitch59 search directory. Here, employers are able to search and recruit you to work for them. If you ever want to make any changes to your pitch card, it's simple. Just tap on the edit icon on the homepage, and your information will always be up to date.
There are many ways to use your pitch card. You could be sharing it on social media, putting the QR code on your cover letter. You can be using it on all job search platforms. Since Pitch59 is a new platform, make sure to continually come back to check on new job cards. And if you need any assistance or help, don't forget to utilize our help button on our website. Start using your pitch card today.